Welcome to 70 degrees in November. Sorry, welcome to 62 degrees in November. It was supposed to be 70 degrees today, but yeah, it didn't happen. We're riding anyways though, because it's fucking warm. We shouldn't be going fast here. That's normally yes, but if there's signs, no. But today, or whenever you watch this, we're going to be talking about the triple backflip, which is insane to me. Utterly insane. Now, I'm old enough too that I remember watching the X Games when Travis Pastrana did the double backflip, you know, in competition live, whatever you want to call it. And I remember watching that and being like, wow, just mind blown. You know, the Tony Hawk going like, whoa. I remember watching that and just going, wow, like there is nothing that'll ever beat that. And like, I know, I have seen that people have been trying the triple backflip for a long time, like, you know, on big multi-ramp or big like outdoor ramps, whatever, and they all do it to an air landing. Let's go with that. If you watch, it was kind of funny because the guy did it, and like on the videos that's like recorded of him doing it, there's like no one in the stands. It was like Nitro World Circus or whatever they call it in Australia, and apparently it had been rained out, so it was done like on a Monday night when no one was there, no one could watch it. But it still doesn't take away the fact that it's insane. And yes, I know it was done to like it wasn't done to dirt, it was done to like a whatever they use, like a cushion ramp or a semi-air ramp, whatever it was. But still, like, this guy took a dirt bike, flipped it 3 times around in the air and landed it smooth too. I watched that and I was just like, my god. how much more can you do on a dirt bike? You know, that's the thing. Triples have been landed, or a triple has been landed. Now everyone's got to be able to do triples, or are you going to sit there and say, oh well, now you got to be able to do quads? I mean, just the hang time that you need to do a triple, it's insane to me. I watched that and I was dumbfounded. Like, yep, can't imagine doing 1. Definitely can't imagine doing 2. And here's this guy. It's probably one of those things. He's probably spent the last like 2 or 3 years like just doing that, just learning that. You know, because it's not just as simple as go off a ramp and flip. You gotta, you know, keep your body in the right spot. You've gotta, I'm assuming, rev at certain intervals and keep it going around. Motorcycle friend, yes. The brave, the few, the semi-winter riders. I don't know, you tell me, did you watch it? I think there's somebody else that's done it too, and I'm not quite sure about that, but if you know who it is, put it in the comments below. Did you watch it? If you happen to watch this from Australia, did you see it live? Do you even care? Like, I know a lot of people don't care about like FMX. I think it's cool as shit, but comments below, tell me what you thought. Did you watch it? And I'm going to try and include the video somewhere in this video. So tell me what you thought. You know what it is? Have you ever watched it before? Are you into FMX? Or are you more into racing or just riding in general? Whatever it is. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting more, because it really helps me playing the YouTube algorithm game. I appreciate it all. I love y'all. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.